Some scooters look exciting at first, but after a few months, owners start noticing the problems. Not enough comfort, not enough power, too expensive to maintain, or simply not as practical as they expected. But the scooters on this list are different. These are the machines owners often keep for years, recommend to others, and sometimes replace with the newer version of the same model. So in this video, we're counting down the scooters nobody regrets buying. Starting with number 10. Starting at number 10, Piaggio Beverly 400. The Beverly 400 is one of the most underrated all-around scooters in the world. Its large wheels give it a stable and confident feel, especially on rough city streets and faster roads. It has enough power for highway riding, enough comfort for longer trips, and enough practicality for daily commuting. Owners appreciate that it feels premium without becoming too large or difficult to manage. It may not always get the attention of flashier Maxi scooters, but for real-world use, the Beverly 400 is a scooter many riders are happy to own for years. At number 9, Honda ADV 350. The ADV 350 is one of those scooters that makes sense almost immediately. It combines Honda reliability with adventure-inspired styling, comfortable ergonomics, and excellent everyday usability. The suspension handles rough roads better than many traditional scooters. The riding position feels natural, and the engine has enough performance for commuting, weekend rides, and highway use. Owners love that it feels practical without being boring. For riders who want one scooter that can handle a little bit of everything, the ADV 350 is very easy to recommend. At number 8, BMW C400 GT. The C400 GT proves that a mid-size scooter can still feel premium. BMW gave it excellent wind protection, a comfortable riding position, modern technology, and a refined road feel. It works well in the city, but it also feels confident on faster roads. That makes it especially appealing for riders who want a scooter that feels more serious than a basic commuter. Owners appreciate the comfort, build quality, and premium experience every time they ride it. For many riders, the C400 GT delivers exactly what they hoped a BMW scooter would feel like. At number 7, Suzuki Bergman 650 Executive. Even though the Bergman 650 Executive is no longer in production, owners still speak highly of it. That says a lot. This scooter became famous for its comfort, wind protection, storage, and effortless highway cruising. It feels more like a luxury touring machine than a traditional scooter. Long rides are relaxed, daily use is easy, and the ownership experience is one of the reasons many riders refuse to sell theirs. Few scooters have ever matched the Bergman 650's mix of comfort and practicality. That is why it remains one of the easiest scooters to buy without regret. At number 6, Honda Forza 750. The Forza 750 is one of Honda's most complete modern scooters. It blends strong twin-cylinder performance with premium comfort and everyday practicality. The DCT transmission gives it a smooth and effortless riding experience, especially in traffic or on long rides. It feels refined, stable, and confidence-inspiring at speed. Owners appreciate that it has motorcycle-like performance without losing the convenience that makes scooters so useful. For riders who want something powerful, polished, and easy to live with, the Forza 750 is one of the safest choices in the premium scooter world. Now we're entering the scooters that don't just satisfy owners, they create loyal fans. These are the machines riders often recommend without hesitation. At number 5, Vespa GTS 310. The Vespa GTS 310 is not on this list because it is the fastest. It is here because owners genuinely love owning it. The styling is timeless, the build quality feels premium, and the riding experience has a character that few scooters can match. A Vespa feels special in a way that goes beyond numbers on a spec sheet. It also holds its value well and has one of the strongest communities in the scooter world. For riders who want a scooter with personality, heritage, and everyday usability, the GTS is a purchase many owners never regret. At number 4, Kymco AK550 Premium. The AK550 Premium is one of the best performance values in the Maxi scooter segment. It delivers strong acceleration, premium suspension, sharp handling, and excellent highway comfort. What makes it so satisfying is how complete it feels. It is sporty enough to be exciting, comfortable enough for long rides, and practical enough for daily use. Owners often praise it because it gives them a flagship scooter experience without needing to follow the usual premium brands. For riders who want performance and value in the same package, the AK550 Premium is hard to regret. At number 3, Honda XADV 750. The XADV 750 is one of the most unique scooters ever made. At first, many riders were not sure what to think of it, but owners quickly discovered how useful it really is. It can commute through the city, cruise comfortably on highways, handle weekend touring, and even take on roads that most scooters would avoid. The upright riding position, long travel suspension, strong engine, and Honda reliability make it an incredibly satisfying machine to own. For riders who want versatility above everything else, the XADV is one of the few scooters that truly delivers. At number 2, Yamaha X-Max 300. The X-Max 300 may be the most balanced scooter on this list. It is not the most powerful. It is not the most expensive. But it gets almost everything right. It is comfortable, efficient, reliable, practical, and capable enough for real highway use. The storage is useful, the handling is easy, and the ownership costs are reasonable compared to larger Maxi scooters. That is why so many owners say they would buy another one without hesitation. For many riders, the X-Max is the perfect mix of daily practicality and long-distance capability. And finally, number 1, Yamaha T-Max Tech Max. If there is one scooter that owners rarely regret buying, it is the T-Max. For more than 2 decades, the T-Max has been the benchmark for premium Maxi scooters. It handles better than most scooters. It feels refined at speed. It has enough performance to satisfy experienced riders. And it remains practical enough for everyday use. What makes the T-Max special is not just one feature. It is the complete package. Performance, comfort, reliability, technology, and long-term owner satisfaction. Many T-Max owners do not move away from the model. They simply upgrade to the next generation. That kind of loyalty says everything, and that is why the Yamaha T-Max Tech Max takes the #1 spot. So, those were the scooters nobody regrets buying. Some are loved for comfort, some for reliability, some for performance, and some because they simply make every ride easier and more enjoyable. Which scooter would you buy without hesitation? Let me know in the comments below.